Hey everybody, this is a rather impromptu live, and I hope that you enjoy this little video here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you some of the tech that I use when I'm recording videos or other resources, because we've been chatting about this in the mastermind and everybody's like, how do you make those really cool overhead views where you can see the keys? So I thought I would show you guys how to do this. So this was a little rushed, me putting this together. I actually forgot to plug in my microphone. You can see a microphone there, totally not plugged in. So we're gonna plug that in right now. If you are tuning in live or if you are watching on the replay, be sure to hello. I see a few people tuning in. Hi, Colleen. So let me reiterate what I'm gonna show you today. I'm going to show you how you set up a webcam so that you can have an overhead view of piano keys. This can be really useful if you're trying to record a resource or if you're trying to record like a video lesson in lieu of a makeup lesson or something like that. So we were chatting about this in the mastermind and I thought I would show you guys my stuff. So I'm actually going to repurpose this video later on. I'm going to use it as part of the Online Lesson Academy. So, but I thought I'd show it to you guys live because why not? It'd be fun. All right, I see a whole bunch of people tuning in. I see Valerie, Kimberly, April, oh, so many people. And you can probably hear that popping noise on my thing. So, Tammy is asking, Tammy asks, do you do Skype lessons often? If so, what ages? Tammy, I do FaceTime and Skype lessons with all the students from my studio if they can't make it in. And right now I don't have any Skype only students, but that's only because I don't have room for them. So yeah, I do them with all different kinds of ages. It's really kind of fun. Now, let me show you these tools that I'm going to do because I have to make this fast. All right, so first, here's one of the things that I use. I'm going to use a boom mic. So you can see this is just like a standard boom mic and not super fancy or anything. Now what I will normally do is I will take this up to the full height when I want to go over the keys, but I'm going to show it to you kind of medium height. So you can see I took it up a little bit. Now, guys, real tight. I want to show you how I attach the camera. Let me tighten this up. Hey, Josie's here, yay! Josie, you were the one who had this question in the mastermind, so I was like, I totally want to do a video for Josie, so yay, I'm glad that you found the link. So I wanted to show you that on the end of this microphone stand, you probably have mic stands. I have like a ton of them only because my husband is a sound engineer, so he runs sound for a different dance and he's a musician, so I had all this material anyway. You can see this is a regular like mic adapter thingy. I don't know the technical term for this, but anyway, it screws off. So I'm going to take this off. Takes a second. Valerie says, I was just thinking about this the other day. Well, wonder no more, Valerie. I've got the answers for you. So this guy comes off. We remove that. And where did my camera go? Oh, it's right behind me. Okay, so you can see here's the web camera that I'm going to attach. This is the Logitech C920. It's a pretty standard one. It's not very expensive, so it's pretty cool. Christy, no, it's not a clip. Let me show you here. So this is a little adapter, and what this does is that it's going to screw onto my mic stand, and then you can see here it has a little mount for the camera. So on the bottom of my webcam, and you'll find this is like a standard size if you have like a video cam or a I'm trying to think like a regular camera that you take pictures with. They oftentimes have this on the bottom. See that? So what I'm going to do first, before I attach this to that, is I'm going to screw this onto the end of my boom stand. April, yes, you should have video and audio. Just, I can't really type to you right now, but sometimes Facebook can be weird. If a video or audio doesn't come up, you like exit out of the video and then come back in. Facebook Live is weird. Okay, so now I have this new mount on there. And what you'll notice, let me get this closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, what you'll notice is that this little adjustment here means that I can adjust this in any angle. So I can go any direction, all right? And this is how I'm going to tighten the webcam on there. So here is that, and whoops. So it attaches here. It's nice and secure, so I don't have to worry about my camera falling. I used to use a very odd setup for this. So now what I do is I can adjust it to however I want. You see that? You can adjust the angle however you want and tighten that angle. Okay, so let me show you the next step. All right. I don't want to bang that right into my... That'd be really bad. Watch Sarah destroy her Mac Pro live on camera. Be great. So I'm going to take this mic all the way to the top. I'm going to slide this dude over. And just in case you're wondering, yes, this is a pretty heavy duty mic stand, and it's weighted, so I'm not worried about taking it out to the full length here. Not that this camera is really that heavy, but now that I'm up here, then I would adjust my camera. Of course, I've got the mic stand facing the wrong direction, but that's okay. You guys get the idea, right? So that's how I would mount my camera, and then I would take this guy and plug in. Now I'm going to show you the magic part. Okay, you guys ready for some magic? Yay! Oh, I see so many people tuning in. Hey, guys, thank you so much. Tammy and Valerie, thank you for helping April out. I really appreciate it. It's like, for some reason, I can't respond through this today. Bonnie says, my photo booth was a great success at my spring recital. Thank you. Yay! That's so awesome, Bonnie. That makes me really, really happy. That's so cool. All right, so here we go. I am going to show you how I'm going to switch my camera views. And so we have the camera mounted. It's plugged into my computer. The keys are going to be upside down, guys. I'm sorry. This is not perfect. All right, so now I'm going to switch cameras. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. So there you can see my keys. Obviously, I would have to flip this around because I kind of attached this the wrong way. But now you have an overhead mount. And you can play. And it's really nice. I can actually zoom in and do all kinds of really cool stuff for that. So yay. That is how you do it. Woo. Okay. Now, I told you guys this was going to be really fast today. Sorry, this is like a little messier than normal. But I just had a minute to pop on. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to record a resource and get some stuff done. And I also wanted to mention to you guys, if you want to get, like I put together a little post for you, if you want to get links to those things that I showed you. So this little guy here. Oh, I have one more thing I didn't show you. I like this one too. So maybe you want to use a cell phone or something like that to record. This is another attachment that can go right on this guy up here. All right. So instead of using a webcam up there, I could actually use a little thing to hold my phone, and it kind of snaps into place so it works with whatever phone you're wanting to look at. All right, I see a lot of questions popping in below, and I wanted to mention that we have an online lesson academy that just opened for enrollment the other day. So if you got a lot of questions about these, I'm going to try to get to some of them in the comments below. But if you're really interested in upping your tech game and like getting really good at this stuff, you might want to consider looking up the online lesson academy, because we are in pre-sale mode right now and we've got a really fantastic deal going on. So if you want to get a hold of those links, I'm going to send you a link to this guy, because I don't even know what to call them. They have really goofy names. So I have this guy and I have a link to this attachment that goes onto a boom stand. And if you want to get a hold of those links, you are going to type the word camera below, okay? And okay, Lisa is asking, is this the same one that was offered? Yes, this is the online lesson academy. We're doing another session of it, and it's going to start on May 14th. So if anybody is interested in that, if you type the word camera below, I'm going to send you the links to these little guys so you can check them out for yourself. They're super cheap. Talk about an easy solution. It's pretty awesome. And I'll also send you a link to the stuff about the Online Lesson Academy in case you are interested. There is a free sample of our workbook on there, so check that out, and I will follow up with a link to the Academy. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for joining me for this random live. I gotta run because I got some things to do, so we will see you next time. Bye, guys.